In this Kdenlive tutorial I will show you how to extract an image from a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Kdenlive. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well I've set up this video so that it runs with a proxy clip and placed it in track 1. And all I'm going to do is just drag this over rather than play this clip to a point where I want to freeze the frame. Incidentally, proxy clips, if you've never used a video editor that works with proxy clips, it makes life so much easier. If you sort of work in something like OpenShot, you'll know how laggy it can get. So anyway, that's just by the by. Okay, so I'm going to say let's save this frame here as an image. Now the one thing you will need to do if you're using proxies is just right click on the video in the project bin, and next to proxy left click in the little box, so you're actually at the point that you want to be. Now what will happen here is that it will want to show you the video rather than the actual clip, so just left click on the clip and then right click in the monitor, and you've got something called extract frame. You can extract frame to project. This will bring it back into the project and you could use it here, but I'm going to just extract the frame and then decide where you're going to save the actual image. You can also give it a title here if you want. I'll leave this as untitled. The one thing you can't change is the format. It's only PNG, so that's that. And all we do now is just left click on save. Might have to do it twice, and hopefully you should have an untitled or titled image saved from your video. So hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.